Sometimes, when using masks in Lightroom, we can find that however we've drawn them, the outside of the mask is beyond the limits of the photo. This is especially the case with radial gradients. The problem arises when we want to use the edit pins to adjust the size and dimensions of the mask, but they appear out of reach. We could move the mask back within the confines of the photo, modify it, and move it back into place. But that is an awkward procedure that doesn't always suffice. Hold down Command and Shift on a Mac, or Control and Shift in Windows. A small icon showing a magnifying glass with 2 arrows will appear. Now, also hold down your left cursor button. Moving your cursor right and left will zoom in and out. You will now be able to access the outer limits of the mask. An alternative is to press Command and minus on a Mac, or Control and minus in Windows as many times as required to see the outer limits of the mask. Do the same with plus, and you will zoom in again. Using the percentage controls on the navigator will achieve the same. Fit will return the image to the standard view in Lightroom. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.